This is without question one of the parts of the body where you're going to change people's lives. If you're on an island and you're a massage therapist, you can only work on one muscle. What's it going to be? Psoas. If I ever ask you, hey, what do you treat for this condition? You could always say psoas. Why? Psoas is the strongest, and this is a little controversial because people see this in different ways. I'm just going to give you my spiel. Psoas is the strongest inner core muscle. If your psoas is dysfunctional, your inner core is not working properly, and you have less body strength, less body function. That can translate into brain function as well, okay? So psoas is an incredibly important muscle for most people, not all, for most people to be treated. If someone has low back pain, it almost doesn't matter what the chart says. Psoas is going to be involved. And it can be that psoas is not active, so it doesn't mean that you're going to beat it up. The point is that if they have low back pain, very likely psoas is going to be involved in that. Her psoas could be pulling so hard this way that is causing that anterior tilt of hip flexion. I'm actually moving your small intestines out of the way, okay? Now I have a gap and I'm touching her psoas with almost no effort. That's not always going to be the case, okay? So I'm pretty confident I'm on psoas. To test that I'm on psoas, I'm going to hold this pressure. You feel my elbow on your knee there. Press your knee towards your face gently. And the moment she does that, it jumps up in my fingers. And now I know I'm on psoas, okay? Now that I know I'm on psoas, I'm going to treat, okay? Pressure, static pressure is the gentlest way. This is usually pretty intense for people, okay? The next step is counterclockwise circles. So I'm going to do this. So breathe in, breathe out. Slow exhale, please. Breathe in. Slow exhale, and go in as you exhale. There you go. Then treat.